Good morning, class 5. Welcome to our mathematics lesson. Today we are going to learn about solving simple equations with one unknown. Solving simple equations with one unknown. So we have our first example as W add 4 is equal to 15. So we want to get the value of W. We want to get the value of W. Because we have an addition sign here, now we shall rewrite the equation by saying W add 4 subtract 4 is equal to 15 subtract 4. So for us to get W, we are supposed to subtract 4 both sides. Both sides, I mean the left hand side and the right hand side of the equal signs. That's why we are saying W add 4 subtract 4 is equal to 15 subtract 4. So we shall remain on the left hand side, we shall remain with W because 4 subtract 4 is 0. Now we shall say W is equal to 15 subtract 4. So the value for W will be 11. The value for W will be 11. So where you are supposed to be very keen is the operation sign. For example, let us look at the second example, which is having a subtraction operation sign. We have T subtract 6 is equal to 16. T subtract 6 is equal to 16. So here we shall say we shall add 6 on both sides. We shall add 6 on both sides. So we shall say T subtract 6 add 6 equal to 16 add 6. Here it's like you have a debt of 6 shillings. Then you go and pay the 6 shillings. What will you remain with? 0. That's why 6, add 6 here, we have a negative sign here. So for us to pay that debt, we are supposed to pay the 6 shillings. For example, we are supposed to pay 6 shillings. So here it is T subtract 6, add 6, so that we remain with 0 here. We remain with 0 here. Is equal to 16, add 16. Now here we shall remain with the T is equal to 16 add 6. 16 add 6. So the value of T is equal to 22. The value of T is equal to 22. So you are supposed to be very keen with the operation sign. With the operation sign. If the operation sign is addition, we will subtract both sides. If the operation sign is subtraction, we will add both sides. And when we are doing that, the right hand side remains with the unknown. The left hand side remains with the unknown. Then the last example, we have 20 add G is equal to 45. So here 20, the operation sign here for 20 is addition. So we shall say now 20 subtract 20 add G is equal to 48 subtract 20. So here we shall remain with G. So G is equal to 48 subtract 20. Now the value of G is equal to 28. The value of G is equal to 28. What I am insisting on is the operation sign. That if the operation sign is addition, on the left hand side you subtract on both sides of the equal signs. Then if the operation sign is negative, you add on both sides of the equal signs. So that's how we carry out or we get the value of the unknown in an equation. Thank you, and let us meet in our next lesson.